What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we got some Chick-fil-A. Let's go. Well done on the holiday cups. These look kind of cool, actually. For our sandwich, I decided to get a grilled chicken sandwich. Nothing too special, but these are pretty good, actually. The sauce, I got some honey roasted barbecue, sorry, and I got a garden herb ranch. Let's make it a combo. Ooh. More sauce, the better. Taste test. This is delicious. When I used to work at Macy's, I used to get this grilled chicken sandwich every day. I can't forget the Chick-fil-A sauce. Look at this. This is like pure heaven. Look at that. Oh my God. And as usual, we got the Sprite. Forget about the waffle fries. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Ooh, look at this. Look at that, look at that, look at it, look. Words can't describe how satisfying that meal was. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to follow my socials. I have Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube. I'll see you very soon. Peace out.